My name is Aishwarya. I read in upper nursery. I'm 4 years old. My hobby is dancing. Hello, my name is Aishwarya. I am 4 years old. My hobby is dancing. My favorite color is red. My favorite fruit is mango. Thank you. My name is Ojaswa and Afif. My father name is Aishwarya. My mother name is Mrs. Singh. I am 3 years old. I am in class and nursery. I live in Prayagraj. Hello ma'am, my name is Ojaswa and Afif. I am 3 years old. I am from Prayagraj. I like to dance. I like to eat burger. My favorite color is blue. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello everyone, my name is Afif. I am 7 years old. I am from Amravati city. I like to play with volleyball. My name is Afif Ahmed. My father name is Tausif Ahmed. My mother name is Mrs. Labalo. I am studying 2nd standard. I am 7 years old. I live in Habibnagar number 1 Amravati. My favorite game is volleyball.